Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking Alstroemeria. It's a flower we've used for many years that had faded in popularity, but now is exploding in popularity, and there are so many new, different varieties. But many of you may know, Alstroemeria gives off a sap, and that sap can cause contact dermatitis. So you can see I'm wearing gloves. That solves the problem. It's not deadly, it's not poisonous, it's not going to permanently harm you, but that sap, when you go through and do your processing, removing the foliage, it gets on your hands. And when you get repeated exposure to that sap, you can get an unsightly rash. It's itchy, it's red, it's not fabulous, but if you wear gloves, that way when you work with it, do the processing, you're fine. The smaller amounts when you're designing, probably not an issue. It's mostly when you're doing the cleaning with repeated touching of that sap that can be the problem.